Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable link previews in WhatsApp. So when you send a link, it shows thumbnail, title and short description. So let's get right into it. First, open your WhatsApp app on your Android or iPhone. Now go to any chat. For now, I'll go with this one and paste a link. I'll go with this YouTube video, or it can be any blog post as well. Now, after pasting the link, if the link preview is enabled, you will see a thumbnail image, title and website description appear above it. If the link preview does not show up, make sure you are doing the following. First, don't type anything after the link. Second, the link should be from a preview compatible websites. Okay. Third, make sure your internet is active. And fourth, use full links. Shortened or broken links might not preview. There are some link preview limitations as well. WhatsApp does not show previews for encrypted or private websites, Google Docs or Drives, some shorteners like bit.ly, links sent multiple times in a row. If it's still not working, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Link preview is a built-in feature, but it may not work on outdated apps. Also, when sending multiple links in one message, only the first link will usually show a preview. To preview each one, send them in separate messages. And that's how you enable and troubleshoot link previews in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mobile tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.